Do you remember what you dropped on that toe?
No, but it was heavy.
Yeah.
Because it smashed the toe. It didn't smash the toe, but it made the toenail come off.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, when they get like that, they'll grow slowly, but it's still growing.
Yeah.
Well, that's an option. I mean, you can get one of these. Some people do, but
Okay.
other people would just rather come in and
Yeah.
it's one less thing for you to have to worry about health-wise.
Right. Cut the toe off would be my story.
Well, that I can fix too.
See, those dead there wasn't on the last one there, big on this. On the right side there, the toe.
Yep, I mean, it comes off in chunks,
Yeah.
but all nails are dead stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, so those should feel a lot better.
Now I'd be able to get my stockings out without catching the stockings all the time too.
Exactly. And your wife can stop nagging you about coming in. She's been telling me for a couple years she's been trying to get you in.
Was that right?
Yeah. No, she didn't say she was a nag.
Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.
I am here to tell you about Meta 7. Meta 7 combines 7 vital nutrients that boost your metabolism. These essential nutrients boost your energy level and may even help you lose weight. The goal of Meta 7 is to help you activate your life. So if you are feeling a bit sluggish and want your energy back, try Meta 7 today.